Under the vagueness doctrine, a criminal statute is unconstitutional if it doesn't give people fair notice of what conduct it criminalizes. In State v. Pomianek, the New Jersey Supreme Court considered whether a state bias crime statute was void for vagueness. A New Jersey statute criminalized bias intimidation, defined as committing certain underlying offenses when the victim reasonably believed the defendant intended to intimidate the victim because of protected immutable characteristics such as race or color. David Pomianek, Michael Dorazo, and Steven Brodie worked for their town's public works department. Pomianek and Dorazo were white. Brodie was black. One afternoon, several public works employees were assigned to an old storage garage. Many of the employees, including Pomianek and Dorazo, were roughhousing in the building, throwing footballs and generally goofing around. The building had a large steel storage cage secured by a sliding chain-link door with a padlock. Dorazo told Brodie that their supervisor needed something from the cage. When Brodie walked into the cage, Dorazo shut the door, locking Brodie inside. The other employees laughed. Pomianek said, quote, "Oh, you see, you throw a banana in the cage and he goes right in," unquote. Brodie believed Pomianek's remark referred to his race and was like calling him a monkey in a cage. After a few minutes, another employee let Brodie out. Brodie felt humiliated and embarrassed. Pomianek was charged with bias intimidation, official misconduct, and underlying harassment offenses. The jury found Pomianek not guilty of intentionally or knowingly acting with the intent to intimidate Brodie based on his race. Pomianek was convicted of bias intimidation by harassment based on a finding that Brodie reasonably believed that Pomianek acted with the intent to intimidate him because of his race. The jury also convicted Pomianek of official misconduct based on the bias intimidation conviction. The appellate division reversed the bias intimidation and official misconduct convictions. The New Jersey Supreme Court granted review.